Good morning. I'm here on the water and I'm getting very spoiled here in Ireland, I have to say. Starting out the day with a coffee and a castle. Coffee and castle. That's the way to do it in Ireland. And we have another incredible day of blue sky. I cannot wait. Great morning to Drona Castle.
Was that to me?
Yes.
Sorry.
He's concentrating.
Great morning.
He's concentrating, lads, as they say here. There's nothing like that crisp, fresh air when you're on the water in the morning. Nothing like it. Welcome back to our Ireland series, where we've teamed up with our friends at Lally Tours to explore this spectacular country for the very first time. We started out in Dublin and then took a bus to Galway, where we're based as we travel around the incredible west coast of Ireland, including the famous Connemara. We'll link those videos in the description box and would love for you to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. We're always so thankful for your support. Today is another big day of exploring as we're heading off to the Aran Islands, a group of 3 rocky isles to the southwest of Connemara called Inisheer, Inishman, and Inisheer. Had our first glimpse of the Aran Islands behind me here. Perfect sunny day, and we are surrounded by limestone. We're in an area called the Burren, and the limestone here is around 350 million years old. It's absolutely everywhere, and something that I find fascinating that we've just learned is that you see a ton of stone fences all around this part of Ireland, and they're there because when they were clearing fields for agriculture back around 6,000 years ago when that started, they needed to clear all of this limestone rock from the field so that they could use it for agriculture. So these fences are actually just a place to put the cleared stone, and they're dry, so it's just stacking the stones, and some of these fences go back around 6,000 years. The colors here are absolutely stunning. Today we've got the blue sky, the water, the typical Irish green, of course, and then that gorgeous gray of the limestone. We're also really close here to our first glimpse of the Cliffs of Moher, which are incredibly famous, and we are lucky that we're going to get much more than a glimpse. We're going to get really up close after this, but we are very close, which is exciting. After taking in the beautiful rocky landscape of the Burren, we're on our way to Doolin in County Clare with its brightly colored houses, where we're catching the Aran Islands Express ferry out to Inisheer, the smallest of the 3 islands. In line, about to get on the Aran Islands Express. First up, Cliffs of Moher. As a bonus, the ferry also takes us over to the Cliffs of Moher, where we get to experience the magnificence of these world-famous cliffs from the water. These are the stunning Cliffs of Moher. At their highest, they're around 700 feet, and they stretch for about 10 miles. There's a gorgeous cave where they shot Harry Potter, and my personal favorite reference is that these cliffs were used in one of my favorite movies, The Princess Bride, as the Cliffs of Insanity. They are truly jaw-dropping in person, an incredible example of nature's very own stone masonry. And when the boat pulls up close, you can see all of the different cuts in the rock, and I love the 2 that have a pointed, almost A-frame shape. At the most southerly point of the Cliffs of Moher, it's called Hag's Head, and there you can see an arch, and as erosion does its work over time, that will slowly fall and leave a stack in its place. And there's another gorgeous stack where that has already happened. Don't stop.
So lucky.
Don't stop. Next, we are headed to the Aran Islands. There are 3 islands. We're going to the smallest, which is called Inisheer. Across the 3 islands, there are about 1,500 people living there full-time. On Inisheer, about 350. And on the islands, Irish is the first language. Off the boat, onto Inisheer.
Let's go. I'm speaking Irish now.
Forget sea legs, you've got sea tongue?
Sea tongue.
Sounds funny.
It's a new thing.
Anyway, welcome to Inisheer. All the same. What an amazing introduction to the Aran Islands, to Inisheer, to get off the boat and look, horse and buggies! And see all of these horse and buggies lined up at the pier. I don't think I've ever seen that.
I've never seen that before.
What a welcome.
We're about 2 seconds in and I already want to live here.
I literally heard someone else on the street say that.
Yeah.
Like, I want to live here. It's gorgeous.
It's not a bad place.
All of this inspiration is working up a hunger, so we're stopping in to Tigh Ruairí for fish and chips. We're at Rory's pub in the Aran Islands on the smallest island of Inisheer, and we have ordered, of course, the catch of the day. Today, the catch of the day is hake. It's served with chips and fresh salad and my favorite homemade tartar sauce. I'm trying to learn some Irish, especially while we're here on Inisheer, because that is the main language spoken here. So I asked someone how to say thank you, and I've only heard it once, so please give me some grace here. But Gura Mila, or I think the slang of it is Gura Mahagat. So Gura Mila, Gura Mahagat. If you have any idea, if you speak Irish, please let me know. Am I anywhere close to saying thank you properly? Gura Mila, Gura Mahagat. After leaving Rory's, we decide to see the island on foot and get an up-close view of the stone fences we mentioned earlier that divvy up the island. Seeing them up close, you can appreciate how difficult it must have been for the people gathering the stones and for the masons cutting them into smaller slabs and assembling them into what we see today. They are built to last, and they have. As we continue along, we spot something off in the distance that we recognize because we've actually seen it many times before. Without a doubt, the thing I'm most excited to see at Inisheer is a shipwreck. That one right there from the 1960s. All of the crew, thankfully, were saved by people here in the Aran Islands, and now we can still see the wreck here. And I am fangirling so hard because I have just found out that this shipwreck is featured in the opening sequence of the show Father Ted. One of my favorite shows, one of those shows, you know, you can just watch over and over again, or when you're sick and you just need some comfort food kind of television. That is Father Ted. If you haven't seen it, at least go and watch the opening sequence so you can see this, as far as I'm concerned, Irish icon featured right here. It's very rusty, as you can see, and it's settled at an angle here amongst these limestone rocks. Wow, what a final resting place for this ship. What happened next at this random shipwreck on a small island in the middle of the North Atlantic, we definitely didn't imagine.
Hey!
Hi.
Hello!
Hi.
See you, Gwyneth.
These are all my new friends.
Hey! We're her new friends. Hello, we're new friends.
And we all met at a shipwreck.
We met at a shipwreck, as you do.
As you do.
Yeah, it's just average Irish activities.
It does now, yeah. Hopefully this doesn't fall on us all.
Cool.
Nice, thank you guys. So much fun.
Yeah.
So random, yeah, you too.
Tell Canada we said hello.
Yeah, we will.
We will do.
And Iceland.
We'll tell the world you said hello.
Yeah. Whenever you run out of maple syrup, you know where to find
Oh, yeah, don't worry.
We got loads. We just had the best and most unexpected experience over at the shipwreck. Made a ton of new friends who recognized us from our YouTube channel, which is, I mean, at a shipwreck in Ireland.
In one of the most remote parts of Ireland.
That was not on my bingo card for today or for this whole trip.
Nope.
But man, that was so cool. I promised a shout out, so hi you guys.
Hey guys.
It was so nice to meet you.
Our new friends from all over Ireland.
Definitely a highlight. And what cooler place to meet, honestly. There's a few different ways that you can get around the island here. Obviously you can walk. That's what we're doing. That's why I am slightly out of breath right now from booking it over to the shipwreck before we miss our boat going back to the mainland. But there are, I think, some more fun ways to do it. And if I had my time back, I think I would probably choose one of those purely for the fun of it. Number one would be a horse and buggy. For 15 euros a person, you can hire a horse and buggy. It's a local person who will take you around the island. You can also hire a bike or an e-bike, which is super fun. And I think, well, here, let me ask Mark. Da-da-da. I think it'd be super fun. I'm gonna say next time.
Yep.
Because I am unwilling to accept that this is my last time here.
This is not our last time here.
Next time, I would do the horse and buggy.
Yeah, me too.
For sure.
And I would pack a lunch.
Yes, that would be really nice,
And
actually.
bring it on the buggy ride.
Ooh, yeah.
To some dreamy spot on this island.
Movable picnic.
Maybe the shipwreck?
Meet you there?
Meet you there.
Okay. I'm trying to learn some Irish words. So let me try to say thank you, yeah? Guramila. Yes, did I get it right? Oh, amazing. Guramila. Thank you. Bye-bye. Exactly. Bye-bye. I'm feeling really good right now because I just tried saying thank you in Irish to the man with the horse and buggy.
Did you?
And he understood me.
Did he really?
Yeah.
No way. Can you say it?
Guramila.
Guramila?
Yeah.
Oh.
At least that's what I said, and he at least
He understood.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Well, that counts for something.
I'm 1 for 1 with Irish words. I have a 100% success rate at this point. It reminds me a little of home here. There's almost a nostalgia that I feel, and I think it's because it reminds me of Newfoundland in Canada, where my dad grew up. He would just love it here. I've been throwing everyone I see here the wave like in a car. You know, you just go. Always get one back. It's the best. And just like that, we're off again on the Aran Islands Express back to the mainland. Today flew by in a jiffy and will be a day we'll never forget, especially meeting such an amazing group of viewers at a shipwreck we had formerly only associated with one of our most beloved TV shows. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us on this, wait for it, it's a bit of a tongue twister, this Galway to Cliffs cruise, Aran Islands and Connemara full day tour. For more info about this and the other tours we've done, check out our friends at Lally Tours over at lallytours.com. We hope you found as much delight in visiting these special places as we did, and we'd love to know what your highlight is. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for lots more travel adventures. We've made lots of other videos in Ireland, so you can watch the rest of the series and check us out over on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook for lots more content we share. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video where our Irish adventure continues.